So one thing I've noticed when I go into the woods, I deal with a lot of mosquitoes. I want to show people a good remedy to keep bugs away from you, especially mosquitoes. If you ain't got no off or any of that kind of stuff. If you're walking through the woods and you come across a nice log, these things are really good repellent. So we just pull that off like that. Take my lighter. Got a little bit of smoking going on. No bugs. So you just carry this with you pretty much. Bugs start getting crazy. You light it, stick it under your shirt, you know, smudge yourself, do whatever you got to do. It helps quite a bit. It's good to have in your travel kits and stuff for like when you're going to do some camping. Because, I mean, you never know. You might not have off or you might run out and not have anything, and they could be really brutal. You just burn a little bit of turkey tail, man. They'll leave you alone. Boom. Smudge ourselves real quick. Ooh, it stinks so bad. Yep. Just like that. And then we're going to walk. Shouldn't be any bugs bugging you. I got to get out. See some nature. God, this shit stinks so bad. Anyways, I had a good time. Got to see a little bit of wildlife. There's tons of flowers blooming everywhere. Still waiting for the wild fruits to come out. Look at that. Still burning. Works great. No bugs. Amazing.